Hi guys, my name is Yelena and welcome back to my channel. Let's make today the best breakfast, as my husband will say, in the world. Apple fritters, yay! Last time I only made one batch and my husband ate it all and I had to beg for give me a little bite so at least I can try it. How was it? Were they good or not? But I guess he ate it all, so I guess it says about something. So today I'm gonna do double batch and I'm gonna show you how to do it, and it was very easy and they were really tasty. Alright, so first thing first, we need eggs. I already cracked mine in the bowl. And then it's very simple. We're just gonna keep adding things to the bowl and just gonna mix it up. Very easy. Alright, so we have our eggs, flour, just regular all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, sugar, and milk. Alright, and put it in the mixer. Alright, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so I'll put this on the side and let's cut some apples. So Granny Smith, and I have mine about this size. So it depends on you want more apples, less apples, 2 or 3 apples. So we're gonna peel them, core them, and chop them small pieces. Alright, and let's put it back in the mixer for just a couple of minutes just to mix it all up. So this is what we got. So as you can see, there is a lot of apples, but they all coated, and there's still some goo on my spatula. See? So that's what we're looking for. So I did double batch here, so that's why it looks so big. Like I mentioned earlier, I did first time just single batch, but now I'm just making double because single was not enough. So for double batch, I ended up using 5 apples, not 6, but 5. And I think it's just perfect amount for the size of apples I had, okay? Now let's heat up our oil in the pan and start cooking. All right, for the glaze, let's do glaze while the oil heating, so we're all ready. It's powdered sugar. And add milk. Until it's nice and soupy consistency. All right, so again, I'm making double batch. And I had 1/4 cup milk here, so let's see what it looks like. See, that looks too thick, so add more. looks about good. All right, so for double batch, looks like I used up 1/4 cup and about the half, so about 1/3 of a cup. So it should be 375 for the oil. All right, we're good to go. So now I put on a little medium so it doesn't start to burn on me. And I have the big ice cream scoop. I'm not sure what size it is, but it's about 1/3 of the cup volume in here. So take your mixture like so. Okay, and don't just dump in the pan one spot, but kind of try to spread it out a little bit. So that's one mistake I was doing last time I did it. So get your thing, and as you're dumping it, try to do, see how it's flat? Like that. So not in one spot. There we go. All right, and let them fry until they dark brown, and then we'll turn them on the other side. And then I already prepared the plate with a little paper towel, so I'm gonna put them on top of this so the grease absorbs. All right, so continue that until you use all your batter. So with your glaze, ta-da. Isn't it pretty? Let's break one apart. They're so soft and tender, and the batter is fluffy. There we go. Oh, they smell amazing. Oh, this is so good. All right, guys, that was it. Finger licking good. I hope you try this recipe. It's simple, and if you like apple fritters, also amazing. If you have fryer, that's even better. I didn't, but it still didn't stop me from making this, guys. And all right, we'll see you next time. Thank you everybody for watching. Love you so much. Bye.